From here, our Vedic period topic was completed, finished, and we move for the next topic. And the next topic or the next heading that is 6th century BC. When Vedic period was ended, that means 6th century BC means 600 BC, obviously. So Vedic period ended here. Now, what is the status of the society? How was the India at this time? We have to understand. And after we can understand why Vedic period was ended, why new states were emerged, why new religious sects were emerged. So in 6th century BC, the social life, the economic life, the religious life, we have to understand all these aspects as well as political life also. Okay. Comments. Yes, yes. Next chapter is 6th century BC. Under this 6th century BC, there are two important topics we will going to read. First is Mahajanpadas and second is Jainism and Buddhism. Okay, so they are under the 6th century BC topic. So now just try to remember the later Vedic age situations. Social life, the casteism, the Varna system is developed now. Slowly, this became rigid. Society became more orthodox. That was the reason to develop tension in society. Am I clear to all of you here? Just give me some comments. Is Vedic period is totally clear to all of you? Then we will move forward. Okay, very good. So during the 6th century BC, after the 1000 years of Vedic age, what was the society at that time? How the life, various aspects of their life affect the changes or they became the factors for the changes. So write down these features one by one. First, write down the social features. Just take your pen and copy. Oh, no, 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 no. Make the heading society during the 6th century BC or social features during the 6th century BC. Social features during 6th century BC. Make some points. Make some points. First point, patriarch society. Patriarch society. That means society was led by the males. Obviously, in Vedic period also society was patriarch, but now this became more rigid. There was no space for women's opinion. Second, Varna system convert into caste system. Write down these points one by one. Varna system converts into caste system. Casteism and untouchability in some parts started. So what is casteism means? The rigidness about the caste. Women social status was fallen. So this is the social feature during 6th century BC. Now the caste system developed some tensions in society because slowly some people thought this caste is senior than this caste, and this caste is just to serve us. Have you done this? Good. Next, religious features during 6th century BC. First point, religion became more ritualistic and rituals became expensive. Developments of 16 samskars. Maybe you heard about the 16 sanskar, 16 sanskar. Recently, Ratan Tata was died just 2 days ago. So the last ritual or last rites performed. So there are 16 rituals from the birth to death for a man. The birth ritual, the decided to their name, and various other rituals. So these are named as 16 samskars. Though they are very beneficial, designed for the uh, fulfillment of the human, for the empowerment of the human, but they became expensive. These are goods, but there are certain mispractices also started. Next is economic features. Economic features. Use of iron, surplus production, production of other goods apart from agro products. Currency system. Next is trade and commerce increased or developed in a very large manner. So they started use of iron. Due to that, now they produce surplus grains. That means more from the requirement. They also produce other goods developed from various gems, from the teeth of elephant, from various wooden products. Obviously, the surplus production and these goods are sold through trade and commerce. Then they started currency system. Due to currency system and trade and commerce, what is the consequence of? So next point is just behind, just after this point. Urbanization increased. That means the small villages or towns are now converted into cities. They became urbanized now. When urbanization started, so obviously king have to develop some financial system. Financial system developed and guild system established. Financial system developed means a proper way of revenue collection, a proper way of taxation, and this develop a group of traders. Now these traders formed their unions. These traders form their uh, various groups that are known as guild. Okay, important term is guild. Guild means the group of unions. They make laws and systems for their trade and commerce. Kings also patronize their systems. which boost more trade and commerce. So maximum trade and commerce, maximum revenue, maximum investment. So this is a chain which increase one by one things. There is a question. Is 6th century BC is the starting period of Janpadas period, sir? Yes. 6th century BC is the starting period of Janpadas, which later known as Mahajanpadas. And not only from 6th century, at the last phase of last time of the later Vedic period. That means from 5th century, 6th century, now the Janpadas are in the developing phase. This is the process to development of Janpadas. These are the factors which developed Janpadas.